Most new investors lose money because of these 5 mistakes. And the good news is, every single one of them is avoidable. If you're just getting started, or even if you've been investing for a while, understanding these pitfalls can save you time, stress, and a lot of hard-earned cash. The first mistake is chasing hype. A stock starts trending online, everyone's talking about it, and suddenly it feels like you're missing out if you don't jump in. The problem is, by the time most people hear about a hot stock, the big gains are already gone. Instead, focus on companies with strong fundamentals, real earnings, real growth, and real long-term potential. Investing should be based on research, not excitement. The second mistake is trying to time the market. Many beginners believe they can predict the perfect moment to buy or sell. But even professional investors with decades of experience struggle with timing. Pause. A better approach is consistency. Invest regularly, regardless of short-term market swings. Over time, this strategy smooths out volatility and helps you build wealth steadily. Mistake number 3 is putting too much money into a single stock or sector. When all your investments depend on one company or one industry, you're taking on unnecessary risk. Diversification is your safety net. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. That way, if one area struggles, the rest of your portfolio can help balance it out. The fourth mistake is ignoring risk management. Many beginners focus only on potential profits and forget to protect their downside. Pause. Before you invest, always know how much you're willing to lose. Use tools like stop-loss orders, position sizing, and a clear exit plan. Successful investing isn't just about making money, it's about protecting the money you already have. And finally, mistake number 5. Letting emotions drive your decisions. Fear and excitement can push investors into buying too high, selling too low, or abandoning their strategy altogether. The solution is discipline. Stick to your plan, stay focused on the long term, and remember that short-term market noise doesn't define your financial future. So those are the 5 biggest mistakes that cause beginners to lose money. Chasing hype, timing the market, lack of diversification, ignoring risk, and emotional decision-making. Avoid these, and you'll already be ahead of most new investors. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical investing guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.